Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today I'm going to be making fast and easy pickled shrimp. It's a really fun little hors d'oeuvre for the holidays coming up in my eyes. For that I'm going to need 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice, about 1/2 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of Old Bay, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest, a teaspoon of celery seeds, a small red onion sliced very, very thin. I got these pretty thin. About 3 tablespoons of capers, 4 to 3 cloves of garlic diced, 2 pounds of shrimp or cloves, a cup of apple cider vinegar, and the red out of the Fresno, I think they are called, peppers. Well, this should be fast and easy and fun, so let's go. Okay, the first step will be to get the shrimp cooking. And it's going to need exactly only 2 minutes in boiling water to cook. And while the shrimp is cooking away, I'll be putting my lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, capers and garlic, olive oil, and the lemon zest, Old Bay seasoning, and celery seeds. Once the shrimp is done, it'll be this lovely colored pink, and I took the liberty of already taking the shells and little legs off. Next, I'm going to be distributing that evenly into our 2 jars along with the peppers and onions. I'm going to give our nice brine mixture a last minute stir so it doesn't all settle to the bottom before pouring it over the shrimp layers. And after I make sure I top them off with some of the capers, we'll be putting our lids on them. These will go into the refrigerator for the next 24 hours. And then, sadly enough, only be good for the next 4 or 5 days. So you'd want to make these about a week before your holiday seasons. And then eat it pretty fast. Supposedly, it's supposed to be some of the best pickled shrimp ever. So, I guess we'll give it 24 hours and see. Okay, I let our shrimp sit overnight and a little, and best part's here. I'm going to come in and try one. I'm going to have to say this is probably one of the better pickled things I've ever made. It's definitely not the same flavor as like pickles or the okra or anything that I've made, but it is a really good flavor to it. I think the Old Bay helps a lot. I've tried some of the shrimp alone. I've tried it with some of its components, and it's just really good. I think the only downside to it at all is that it doesn't last very long. Either you eat it or it goes bad. Anyway, if you have any thoughts, want to try it for your holidays, you don't want to try it, you think it looks weird, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. I will see you in our next one.